Oxpecker, a bird known for its unique symbiotic relationship with large mammals like buffaloes, zebras, and rhinos. Oxpeckers act as nature's pest control. They feed on ticks, fleas, and other parasites that infest the hides of their mammal hosts, helping to keep them clean and healthy. But that's not all. Oxpeckers also serve as sentinels for their hosts, alerting them to the presence of predators with their distinctive alarm calls. Despite their helpful nature, oxpeckers can sometimes be a nuisance to their hosts, as they may peck at wounds to feed on blood. And there you have it, oxpeckers, the helpful, yet sometimes pesky, companions of the African plains. Did you know that?